Hi guys, it's Catherine and Kevanie, your
Hi.
DIY chicks, and we are here with another fun project.
Yes, what are we doing today?
So today we're repurposing cinder blocks to make them into decorative planters. So this is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to paint them and we're going to show you some of the plants we've picked to put in them.
Yep, we'll give you some kind of pointers on how to plant them and some quick, easy things to kind of take care of them. We're not necessarily planting up the cinder blocks, we're kind of staging it almost, so we'll show you how to stage, repurpose things that you're going to be using. So it's going to be super fun, super easy. Some of the materials that we have here that we're going to use, we got some spray paint, we got some blue spray paint. We went ahead and opened it up for you guys. It's always really hard for us to get it open, and I think I closed it back.
And also this is indoor-outdoor, just something to keep in mind. So if you're thinking about keeping these outside, this is a good one to use.
It looks like the color on your nails.
Yeah, it kind of
really pretty. We got some paint. We don't know if we're going to use it, but just in case, we came prepared. Some just simple acrylic black paint. We got some really fun stencils. We use these over and over, so excuse the paint on them. We definitely like to repurpose things so we don't throw away anything. So we got some with words on it, some leaves, just something we can be creative. Yeah, and then we got some painter's tape, so that way we can kind of mark off if we kind of want to make geometric shapes. This will be perfect for that. And we also have some blue over here, paintbrush, pencils, and this right here is a UV protectant spray. You might have seen this in some of our other videos. Yeah, a lot of things that are going outside tend to get faded and lose its color, so this is a great protectant sheen to put on it for the sun and everything like that. So, all right, well, let's get started. So what do you want to do first, Kat?
So I think we are going to do kind of the geometrical. I kind of like that idea. So if you want to hand me the tape and I can just kind of tape off at an angle here, that's going to make it nice and easy for us to spray paint. And maybe like this.
Yeah, I like that.
That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
So this is nice and easy. It sticks right onto the concrete, which is awesome.
Yes.
And then I'm just going to tape it all the way so we don't get any paint up here.
Yes. Make sure you protect it.
Maybe one more just to be
on the safe side. Yeah. What color do you want to do?
I kind of want to do that blue.
The blue one? That one's a pretty one.
All right, here we go.
Oof.
Alright, so first coat's on there. I think one coat's probably good.
Yeah, because it's that concrete, so it
does totally match my nails. Though.
Yes, it does. Exactly, it's identical. All right, so this is pretty instant, so I think we could probably take it off, you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Look at that, nice.
That's cool.
Right there.
Yes.
And then we can turn it over. Should we do it this side now?
Yeah. Which way do you want to? You want to do?
This way, this
yeah,
way?
like
Let's do like a harder angle, maybe like straight down.
Okay. Right here.
Yeah, I like that.
Cute.
And you can really pick how many sides you want to do. If you just want to do the front side, if you want to do all four. We're going to do, I think, 3.
Yeah, just 3, because I think we're going to have it resting against the wall once we're done with this. So pick your spot. If you need to do all 4 sides, do all 4 sides. If you can eliminate some sides because of where you're going to have it, you can make that decision. A few more lines on it.
So we're using some black acrylic paint. We do have black spray paint we could use too, but we're thinking for more detailed lines, it's a little bit easier to use a little sponge brush.
Yes. So. And you could do white, you could do red, something to offset it.
Any color you want to do.
Yeah. Sponge brush works good because it kind of gets in these little crevices.
Yeah.
The only thing is it doesn't dry as quick as the spray paint, so definitely be patient.
Keep that in mind.
Yeah, and watch out for the thickness you put the paint on.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Should we take it off?
Yeah.
There we go. So that was a nice line.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool to have it.
Yeah, it kind of gives it an ombre look with our tape. And if you want to go back over that with some spray paint once this is dry, you can do so.
Yeah.
It's cute.
All right. Well, there's our first one. I think that's probably good, right?
Yeah.
I like it like that with just the one line.
Just the one. Yeah, I like that.
Alright guys, here's our painted cinder blocks now, so they are ready to plant up. Just a reminder that we're just doing this as a display, so it's not something you want to keep your plants in long term. The way we're going to do it is we're going to plant our plants in just plastic bags.
Something easy, fun in your kitchen.
Yep, and then put them in here.
Yes. And that way it's easy to kind of take in and take out.
Change it out with other stuff, whatever you want to do. And then we're not putting any rock in this either, so there's not going to be a lot of drainage. These are succulents though, so they don't need a whole lot of water. The best way to tell is kind of reach your finger down in the soil about an inch, and if it's completely dry, go ahead and water.
Yep, that's the rule with them.
Leave it alone for
long. Leave it. And if you have to bring them inside, if they have this outside, it is, you know, pull that bag out.
Yeah, pull that bag out, move it inside, so nice and easy.
Yes.
So we'll stick the bags down in, and then we can start putting soil in.
Man.
Congratulations, you suck.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put our bag inside.
Our first plant we have here is a variegated actinia.
Yes, one of our favorites. Really nice. It's kind of one of those plants that kind of spill over, so really nice effect. So that's why we decided to do it at the top one, because it is the highest point. We wanted to give that spill effect.
Yeah, and it does bloom. It gets some little pinkish flowers on, which it's not blooming right now, but hopefully in the future. So.
Yes, the springtime it definitely will. All right. So I'll hold that bag open for you. And you can mix your soil around like you would any other plant. Yeah, let's take off some of the roots on that one. All right, so this is a 1 gallon, so we're gonna dust off some of the soil and the roots. And you know, if it's too big to fit in your planter, don't worry about it. You can dust some of that off. You don't have to be nervous about damaging the plant or anything like that. He is rooted.
Yeah.
Let's move him a little lower so we can. You can kind of.
Okay, I think that's probably good.
Okay.
I don't want to do too much.
All right. Got some of that soil off.
Okay, fitting a lot better now.
Yeah.
All right, and if you want to tuck down the sides of that bag.
Yes. Okay.
And then really to disguise the bag, you can also put some gravel along the top of it. So that will help too. All right, there's our first one.
All right, very pretty. Yeah, all right, second one.
You probably need to put soil down in the bottom there.
Yes. So this bag, because we're using these little tiny succulents, so we're gonna put a little soil down in here.
Try to fill it up first.
Yeah. So I got my soil right here.
Perfect. One more scoop.
Okay.
Fill in.
Gonna get a little half.
All right, another project finished.
Yes.
So here we are with our final decorative planters.
Yes.
And if you really wanted to use these more long-term, if you have a specific space for them, you could plant the plants down in them. You would just have to move these two bottom ones together to close that gap and then fill with soil, and you would just keep filling with soil all the way up. So that's definitely an option.
Yeah, super easy, super cute. I really like the design. The frontal view is really nice. So I think another success.
Yes.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. Check out our next video coming up, and don't forget to check out our Kids Corner videos. If you have small little ones, follow us on Facebook, like us on
Instagram.
Yes, everything, all that jazz. Yeah, if you have any comments on how we did this project, you know what to do. Comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.